Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And then here we have this challenge on the board. 12 times 13 times 14 times 15 plus 1 equals p squared. What will be the value of p? This is a very interesting challenge and you are going to see that play out right before your eyes. Okay, so guys, let's go. So what we need to do is to first grab our solution. And then we have 12 times 13 times 14 multiplied by 15 plus 1 equal to p squared. So how do we solve this kind of problem? It's very interesting one, as you will soon see. Okay, so what we need to do is to say, since the first number is 12, we can say let m equal to 12. So if m equal to 12, it means that m plus 1 will be equal to 13, and then m plus 2 will be equal to 14. Alright? Yes, and then of course m plus 3 will be equal to 15, and then you have the 1 there. So the whole of this expression becomes m times m plus 1 multiplied by m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 3, then of course plus 1 equal to p squared. Right. So now what we need to do is that I'm going to combine m and m plus 3. So I have m times m plus 3, okay, in one bracket, and then I bring m plus 1 and m plus 2 together. So I have m plus 1 times m plus 2. Okay, so I'm going to separate it in this format. All plus 1 equal to p squared. Right. So next is to open up this bracket. So I'm going to have m squared plus 3m, alright, and then opening up this will give me m squared plus 3m plus 2, then plus 1 equal to p squared. So now I'm also going to make a substitution and say, if we say let r equal to m squared plus 3m. Yes, if r equal to, if we take r as m squared plus 3m, so this equation now becomes r, the whole of m squared plus 3m becomes r, so we have r plus 2, that's this, r plus 2, and then of course plus 1 equal to p squared. So now let's open up this. We have r squared plus 2r, then of course plus 1 equal to p squared. So this now becomes, this is a perfect square. The left hand side is a perfect square. Of course, it has to be equal to the right hand side. So the left hand side is a perfect square, and we can factorize that as r plus 1 squared equal to p squared. Alright. So what that means is that r plus 1 equal to p. So cancelling out the powers on both sides, you will see that, or if we take the square root of both sides, so you will see this and this cancels, this and this cancel. R plus 1 will be equal to p. So what is the value of r? R is actually m squared plus 3m. So you have r is m squared plus 3m plus 1 equal to p. And of course, we know what m is. M is 12. So this becomes 12 squared plus 3 times 12 plus 1 equal to p. Right. So 12 squared is 144. 3 times 12 is 36 plus 1 equal to p. So what that means is that p, we have, this is 180 plus 1. So p will give us 180 plus 1. That means that p equals to 180. 81. So hi. So that is it, guys. So how do you see the problem? I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget the steps, and then of course your reason for being here, I want to believe, is to learn. Okay, let me know what you feel about the solution. I mean the problem we just solved, and then of course I need to hear that in the comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course share the video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.